Do mosquitoes love you as much as they love me? It's so frustrating when they're buzzing around you, and even more miserable after they've bitten you. The itch can drive you crazy for several days. I do a lot of camping and hiking in the woods, right where mosquitoes are, and there can be droves of them, and they love me. But you don't have to be camping in the woods or the forest for mosquitoes to make your time miserable. I've tried a lot of products, but I wanted to stay away from using DEET because it's supposed to be hazardous to our health. But I even got so desperate that I did use some DEET products. But they weren't even that effective at preventing mosquitoes from biting me. After trying a lot of products, and I mean a lot of products, I finally come up with 4 things that have made camping with mosquitoes tolerable. And these 4 things have been game changers for me. So if mosquitoes love you too, keep on watching. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm Randy, and every Thursday I share tips and tricks and products to help you make big memories in small campers. And the first thing I want to share with you that has been a game changer for me are Thermacell mosquito repellers. They use these propane cartridges that you place inside the Thermacell, and this activates and warms the repellent. And the repellent is on the blue strip right in there. They say that the repellent disperses to create a 20-foot free mosquito zone. Now, I've never done any scientific measuring, testing, or anything like that, but I have found that having 2 of these guys on opposite sides of each other really can make a difference. I also have this tabletop Thermacell. I was pleasantly surprised at how well the Thermacell mosquito repellents work. I make sure that they're with me at all times. I also make sure that I always have a supply of the propane cartridges and the repellent strips on hand. I'll leave my Amazon affiliate link to everything that you're gonna need in the video description below. The next thing I always make sure I have plenty of is Picaridin. This has definitely been the most effective mosquito spray for me, and it's DEET-free. This particular product is made by Sawyer, but I've also used the Ranger Ready products, and those have been really effective as well too. Not only is Picaridin an alternative to DEET, but it doesn't smell as bad as DEET either. There is a little bit of an odor with the Picaridin products that I've used, but not nearly as bad as the products that I've used that had DEET in it. If there are a lot of mosquitoes around, then I'll definitely spray myself with this, and then I'll also place the Thermacells out just for additional layers of protection against those pesky mosquitoes. Okay, even when I'm using my Thermacells and my Picaridin, I'm still gonna get bit occasionally, and that's why I also always make sure I have Calamine with me. You can use a lotion or a spray, but this has been so relieving when you have one of those nasty, itchy mosquito bites. It will leave a patchy white mark wherever. Mosquitoes. Yeah, they're definitely out even as I'm filming, but they're not bothering me because I've got my Picaridin on. It may not look pretty to have patchy white spots, but this can work wonders at stopping those just really nasty, itchy mosquito bites. I like using the spray. This is really handy to have when you're camping. My 4th weapon against those nasty, pesky mosquitoes is my portable battery-operated vacuum cleaner. Mosquitoes are gonna get in your camper, and it's so miserable having them in your camper, especially at night when you're trying to sleep and they're buzzing around your head, or when you wake up to a bunch of new mosquito bites. This has been the best way to get mosquitoes out of my camper. I go around and I suck them up. Before using this, I used a fly swatter or whatever else I had handy to swat them. And then I'd have smashed mosquitoes on my walls. You know what I mean about those little red splatches? So then I had to wipe that off the walls. But my vacuum cleaner eliminates that. See, I vacuumed up quite a few of them today. I don't know, can you see them buzzing around in there? Now that you know how to enjoy the outdoors and enjoy camping without being eaten alive by mosquitoes, the next thing you're gonna wanna do is watch this video. This video right up here is gonna give you fun ideas of things to do when you're camping. So click and watch this video next, and I can't wait to see you over in this video next. And of course, as always, I can't wait to see you next Thursday.